So so next is how to set up automated follow-up sequence using Zapify workflows. First is mag-create a workflow, then set up to trigger something like lead form submitted, then mag-add tag send SMS action with a welcome message immediately after the trigger, then add a wait step, then wait step niya kay 1 day, then add another send email action. Then after that is continue adding wait push message steps to build a multi-day follow-up sequence. So ito tas automation, create tag new. Then reset na tong trigger sa like kani lead form submitted. Dere, dito na to ni. Mga tangin sa panta Facebook. Save. Then mag-add tag SMS action. Tara. Sample rin siya. Then wait, mag-add tag pag wala to is mag-add tag wait step. Then ano tara wait. Time delay. Saan siya? Day, 1 day. So instruction is 1 day. Then maganda po tag send email action. Save sa na to ni. Send email dara. Send email action. Then pag mo natagad sa send email, mag-add na po tag wait. So ano lang siya no. Sa setup of automate follow-up sequence. So ang time delay niya is 1 day. 1 day.